Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exclude token address from copy trade on Trojanbot. So in Trojanbot Solana, you will get the option of excluding any token address. For example, the person you are copying might trading the coin that you don't like. Maybe they are trading, let's say, peanut coin, and you don't want to trade that coin. So what you can do is you can simply exclude that token from your list so that you won't be able to trade that in while doing the copy trading. So in order to enable that option, you just have to simply open your Trojanbot and open your copy trading. Then you need to click on new and click on advanced features. Now here in the advanced features, you will have the blacklist option. So you simply need to click on this option. Now click on add to blacklist and it will ask you to enter the token address that you want to add to the blacklist. So you need to copy the traders of this token, so copy trades of this token will be ignored. So you need to provide the token address here and press enter, and it will be added in the blacklist, and you will no longer be able to track that particular coin while doing copy trading on Trojanbot. So this is one of the greatest features that they have included in Trojanbot. If you want to check out Trojanbot, I will put the link of it down in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.